Hey everyone, welcome to Techfee, your go-to place for smart digital marketing tips. Today I'm sharing some of the top free SEO tools you absolutely must try if you want to grow your website traffic, rank higher on Google, and boost your online presence without spending a single dollar. Let's start with the foundation of SEO, keyword research. Google Keyword Planner is a classic, free, reliable, and powered by Google. RF's keyword generator gives you 100 plus keyword ideas with difficulty scores. Answer the Public turns your keyword into real search questions people are asking. These tools help you find what people are searching for, so you can create content that actually gets found. Now let's talk about on-page SEO. Yoast SEO and Rank Math are two powerful WordPress plugins that guide you while writing, helping you optimize your content for both users and search engines. You can also use SEO Quake or the detailed SEO extension to analyze any web page, including your competitors. For technical SEO, these tools are lifesavers. Google Search Console helps you monitor performance, indexing issues, and keyword queries. GTmetrix checks your website speed and gives clear performance improvement tips. Screaming Frog, free for up to 500 URLs, crawls your site and finds broken links, missing tags, and much more. Want to build authority? Use Moz Link Explorer or Ubersuggest Backlink Checker to find out who's linking to your site and discover backlink opportunities. Then track your progress using Google Analytics and Google Data Studio for clean, customized reporting dashboards. These are just a few of the top free SEO tools that can give your website a serious edge. But wait, there's more. I've put together a full, detailed guide with 25 plus free SEO tools on my blog, including YouTube tools, local SEO tips, Chrome extensions, and more. Click the link below in the description to read the full article at techfee.com and start optimizing smarter today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are diving into SEO. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.